Excellencies, thank you very much for showing us this incredible devastation. You actually have to be here to fully understand just how immense and how much suffering this caused. I understand that there were 5,000 different businesses impacting at least 100,000 people. The loss is just incredible. Almost without a doubt, everybody in this country had some connection to this market. And what is really devastating is the lack of support from the international community to help rebuild this. The Somali communities, not just Somaliland, but entire Somali communities around the world, contributed immediately millions of dollars. And to think of some of the causes that the international community supports with incredibly generous funds, and to let something like this go is beyond comprehension. This needs to be rebuilt. The commercial life of this city needs to come back. The plans are here, but they desperately need some financial support. So again, I've seen the pictures, we've seen the pictures, but until you walk the ground here, you don't recognize the immense impact that this had. Absolutely tragic.